guys, it's Emily here from Mia Thrives. I am 22 weeks pregnant and I'm really excited to start making videos now about pregnancy hacks and newborn hacks. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is, I wouldn't say it's a hack, but it is something that I spent a lot of time researching when I found out I was pregnant, and I thought that this information could be helpful to other women with EB. So one of the first things my doctor asked me when I found out I was pregnant was if I wanted to get genetic testing done for the baby. So since I have DDEB, there's a 50% chance the baby will also have EB. So I started doing some research to figure out if I was going to do a test, which one was going to be right for me. So the first test you can get, it's called a CVS, and you can do that starting at 10 weeks, between 10 weeks and 13 weeks of pregnancy. And basically what it is they do an ultrasound and they have a very thin needle that goes through your stomach and takes out a little bit of your placenta. And then that is sent to a lab and tested, and from that they can tell if the baby has EB or not. And the test is super accurate. It's like 99% accurate. There are some risks involved, and you can chat with your doctor about that. And also, I'm absolutely in no way a doctor. None of this is medical advice. It's just information that I found along the way that I wanted to share, but definitely talk to your doctor about all these options. Anyways, then the second test you can get, it's probably the most common, and it's called an amnio. And that's performed in a similar way, where they do an ultrasound and they put a very thin needle through your tummy and they take out a little bit of amniotic fluid. And that's the fluid that surrounds the baby, and its DNA cells are in that fluid, so it is also able to be sent to the lab and tested, and is very accurate as well, to let you know if the baby has EB or not. And nowadays there's a lot of testing that you can do through your blood, but unfortunately EB is not one of those things, so it is not an option to have it tested through your blood. It's only those two tests. So personally, at the end of the day, I didn't end up doing either of them because for me it didn't really change anything, so we'll wait to see when the baby's born. But those options are great if it's going to help you prepare for your birth, prepare for anything. So I just wanted to put that info out there. We would love to hear from the EB community if you guys have any tips or tricks or anything that you would like to share. Alright guys, thanks. Bye.